Hey everyone, JP from Oracle Lighting here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the new Oracle Oculus Bi-LED headlights. The install for this is very simple, and this is a great upgrade for your Jeep, especially if yours didn't come with the factory LEDs. Let's get started. We'll start by opening the hood and removing the retainer clips across the top of the grille. I'm using a flathead screwdriver for this. With the retainers removed, we can firmly pull on the bottom edges of the grille on the driver and passenger side to remove it. Next, we'll need to remove the three 10mm bolts holding the headlight in. With the bolts removed, pull the headlight outward, then unplug the factory headlight connector from the backside of the headlight. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side. With the headlights removed, we can route our wires for our plug-and-play harness up to our power source. We are using the passenger side so we can easily access the fuse panel. We ground the black cable to the ground log located here on the passenger inner fender. There is already a ring terminal on the cable for easy installation. Remove the fuse panel cover and drill a small hole towards the back corner. We'll be using this hole to route our power wire into the fuse panel without it getting pinched. With the wire through, connect it to the included fuse adapter using a crimp tool. We'll be connecting to fuse F52 for automatic control of the DRLs. If you wish to have manual control over the DRLs, you can connect the red wire to a fused upfitter switch, S-Pod, or similar. Next, we'll need to plug in our plug-and-play connectors to the Oculus headlights. No additional adapters or harnesses are required. With the connectors plugged in, we'll reinstall the Oculus headlight using the same three 10mm bolts. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Now we can reinstall the grille. Make sure the lower retainer clips are secure by pushing them firmly. With the grille now in place, we'll reinstall the factory retainer clips across the top. These go right back in as they came out. Close the hood, check the beam level for the headlights, and be sure to test functionality for the high, low beam, and DRLs. Thanks for watching, and visit oraclelights.com for more info.